Hey, I got a secret. Don't tell anyone. But I've got another what? You'll get ready to see in a few minutes. So let's go ahead and open this box up. I love the way, first of all, the box is all wrapped so nicely. It's got fragile on here, handled with care. Thank you all so much for tuning in with me today. Hi, my name is V and I am with AboveElegant, and welcome to Gracie's. Gracie's is this one-stop sewing shop. So anyways, we're getting ready to open up a package that I'm really excited about. So let's get with the program. But let's have a few rules that I need for you to take care of. Some house cleaning rules. Make sure you like, make sure you join, make sure you subscribe, and make sure that you share this video with someone that you love. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started and find out what's in this box, because I have a secret. Okay, so let's get with it. Hope the camera isn't shaking too much. Now I purchased this from my from Goodwill, and I also let them know how much how I needed for them to wrap this, and they did an exquisite job. So let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna throw this on the floor. I may have to turn the box over, but everything, actually I should have turned it over so you could see how well they have it wrapped. And it's all in one piece, and I'm so excited. So what I think I'll do is turn it over so I can just slide the packaging out. And I don't know if you can see it, so I'm gonna move the camera down a little bit. So here we go. So I'm just gonna pull it out here. And the box, it fits it perfectly. So I'll make sure that I will try and order from this Goodwill again. So that is really nice. A nice, good box, all lined up and everything. So I like that. So let's see what else we have here. Let's flip it over. Then let's take it here and bring it back a little bit. Okay, here we go. Now let's open it all up. And they've got it taped, all nicely taped. And everything. Oh, I thought they had this inside of another box, but now this is just a case. But they've got bubble wrap over it. I am really pleased with how they packaged this, because I had ordered another item from them and it was all busted up, case and all, whenever I received it. And I was not a happy little camper. So what I do now is, once I place an order, I automatically send a message to customer service to make sure they wrap it properly. And I send them pictures of where it was not wrapped properly before, to make sure that I don't have that problem all over again. So this is a Sears Kenmore sewing machine, and it is a little dirty, but hey, just nothing soap and water cannot fix. So we can definitely clean it up. So this is what the shell looks like from the outside. So let's open it up and see what we have. Ah, and they've got the inside wrapped. I am so thrilled. Oh my gosh. This is really nice, people. Thank you, Goodwill. I've got to give you your shout out and kudos. So everything is intact. This looks like it's a little bent, but I think it just screws back on. Yeah. You know, it would have been a good thing if they could have screwed this off. Yes, a little bent, but and I don't know, maybe that was already bent because of the way the box was packaged. So this can screw back on, or you can just order these anyway, so that's not a big deal. Okay, so anyways, I'm not going to try and bend it or force it right now. They've got any accessories and also any booklets that came with it. If you have not tried a Kenmore, and this was along with Sears and Roebuck, if you all, I'm telling my age a little bit, if y'all remember the Sears and Roebuck magazine that we used to all get for summer, winter, I mean like Christmas time, and if you have your Christmas wish list on there, oh, it was nice. Oh, and this looks fantastic. So let's see here. I want to show you. Let me get this and cut it open here. See if y'all can see me trying to tear into this. Here we go. Oh, so we've got directions, the three basic steps. Oh, and look at this book. Oh my gosh. This book looks practically brand new. Oh my goodness. We've got some needles. Wow. 70 cents for some sewing machine oil, non-staining. Let's see, look here, J.C. Penney's. And I don't think this has ever been opened. Let's see if I can take the top. No, I think it's never been used before. Then we have the bobbins here. So they sent several bobbins with it. Okay. That is so nice. And then we've got some accessories. And this, of course, was made in Japan. So the accessories that we have is a button, the button holder, button maker. We got some little tools. Flatheads. And another regular foot. And actually some more bobbins. Right here. Cool. And it came in this little cardboard box. And this looks, I'm telling you people, this looks brand new. This box has not been hurt at all. And then look at this foot pedal. I just gotta wonder what in the world. And it's really even not even that dirty or nasty, or it's not dirty at all. This is fantastic. So I don't know if you keep it in this case. Oh, you can. So I'm gonna lift it up real quick and see what it looks like underneath. You can't see anything. You have to screw it and take it loose. So anyways, I guess it could sit in this case, or you can take it out of this, because this goes on the bottom whenever you get ready to carry it. So let's take it out. And then this is what it says, and on the very front it'll say front. And then It tells you how, gives you directions on how to clean it. Here, right there. It says to clean, use only mild detergent in the same strength and use as you use for dishes. Dry with a damp cloth, leaving a thin film on the surface, and do not use abrasive type cleansers on this machine. And then it's given the model number, okay? So actually, you can do sleeves and everything on here with this. Just pop this off right here and it just pops right off. I mean, it looks practically brand new. Here's your bobbin. Everything right down here. It's got some thread in there. Close this back up. And so let's give it a try and see what it's like. I mean, I know I haven't oiled it or cleaned it up or anything, but honestly, it looks like it probably hasn't been used. So let's plug it in and see what we have, just to try it out, just quickly here. We won't stay on there like we're showing a project on here or anything. Not gonna do that. So we'll see. Hope the needle didn't break. And now there's the needle right there. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Plug it in over here on the side here. And this was probably in the 60s or early 70s. But it has a 25-year full warranty. The light bulb is still in there. And it's a push-in light bulb, so I can change that out to an LED light. It's beautiful, you all. I am so pleased. I am really, really pleased with this one. Okay, so let me plug it in and let's see what we have here. I mean, this looks practically brand spanking new. So let's get some thread and let me try and thread it. So let's turn it on right here. Hope you all can still see that. Here's the light works. Light bulb in here works. And this looks super duper clean. I mean, when I say super duper clean, I don't know, it's almost like somebody has just gotten it out of the box. Turn the light off so you can see it. Yes. So this is so nice. So I hope it works, because just because it looks pretty doesn't mean that it works. We got a little bend right here, and I don't know what that could have come from, because they had it well packaged and they should have taken these off. But anyways, we'll see. Let's see what we have. So if I want to go ahead and just press this and make sure that whether the needle runs up and down or not, works fine. And guess what, people? It's zigzag too. Okay, so let's put it on straight. You don't have to keep up with any cams or anything, which that is good. So we're just gonna put this on red here. I guess it's here. Let's see. So that's straight. So let's go ahead and thread it and see what we got. You want something other than white. So I'm just gonna try and do a quick thread right here. Okay. So I'm left-handed, so this feels a little awkward to me. Something like that. Okay. Let's make sure that it's all the way up. Let's bring it through here. Yeah. Okay. It clicked. Bring it through here. Make sure that this goes through here. Well, I don't know if, let's see. Yeah, we got a hole right here. And I don't have a seat here. Let me go get a chair. Now, I was just at Goodwill yesterday and purchased a sewing machine for $10. So I'm getting ready to clean it up and probably put it on eBay or whatever and see what we can do with it. I don't know how this is going to work out, but we're going to try and see. It's a little bit dusty around the needle. So I got to get up and get. So we're gonna get up. Let's see if I can thread this needle right here. And this may take all day, people. You know what? Something is wrong. I almost said something is wrong with that needle. Okay. So here we go here. So let's see what we got. Okay. Just cut some of this off. And it's got where you can change out these plates. I didn't get an extra plate or anything with this, but this lets you go up and down with your feed dogs there. So let's see what we have. And this is just something really quick. I just wanted to try and see where we're going with it. So it gives me an idea too what I'm going to be working on. But that foot pedal looks brand new. So let's see here. Maybe I can turn it a little bit this way. Let me see how you all are seeing it through the camera. Oh, okay, that looks okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it here and see what we got, peeps. Ah. Okay. Okay, so let's go with. Oh, here we go. It's moving. I love it, people. I love it. I think I had the stitches too small. Perfect, people, perfect. Wow, the stitches is magnificent. You know what? I've got a secret to tell, because I was going to put this in my my booth, but you know what? I think I might keep this one for myself. Now, I don't know. Let's see if the reverse works. Oh, reverse works fine. Let's go back forward again. I may have to take you up closer for these stitches. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Just, let's see if I can pull the camera a little bit closer here. Unbelievable. Okay, so let's see. This machine is practically brand spanking new. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Let's take this out and let you see these stitches. Oops. I want you to, I don't know if you can see them there or not, but look at there. That's why I reversed right there. And there are the stitches. And then look at the back of it. Oh my gosh. This is, oh, this has been wonderful. This is wonderful. Let me go on and do a zigzag or something like this. And I don't know how to sit it for the zigzag, so let me try. Oops. Oh, that may be the button holder. Okay. I'm trying. Okay, I'm going to change the zigzag up here. Do a zigzag there. Maybe do something here. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I got to read the book. Oh, it's zigzagging. Can you all see it zigzagging? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Slow it down in slow motion. It's just zigzagging down. It is beautiful. Okay, let's see. Let's take it to 5. Let's see what we have. We made them a little bit wider. I'm going to take it back in because I have it entirely too wide. Oh, it's beautiful. All I got to say is gorgeous. And I love it, love it, love it, peeps. I love it. So let's change that zigzag. Oh, I love it. That's all I can say. It's beautiful. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure that if you learned something from this video, make sure you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm still trying to reach the 500 subscribers. So help me out. Share it with a friend. And all you have to do is click on that button. Go out and tell somebody just how much you love them. And also keep on stitching. Have a great night. Bye. Working on the Kenmore. It is gorgeous.